Hi, I'm Cameron Humphreys from Humphreys Outdoor Power here in Greencastle, Indiana. And today we got our new Kubota MX6000. So we're going to run in, take a look at this thing, and see what it's all about. Let's have a look. One of the things that I really like about this new tractor series is the new branding we've got on there. Love that broken logo. It's a lot clean. There's no drop shadow like there used to be. Really a sharp look. One of the other things you're going to notice about this tractor standard is that on the other door there is no outside entry. So there's not even a handle here. You have to open that from the inside. There's also no step there, so obviously they don't want you entering from there, which is fine because that's where your loader level control is anyway. So the first thing I notice whenever I hop in this sucker is an awesome suspension seat. Quite a bit of bounce. You do notice immediately that you're missing the armrest that you kind of get standard in the rest of the Kubota cabs, but that is an option with this one. It's just not been included on this particular model. We've got our regular tilt wheel, so we can adjust that. This particular model is a hydrostat. The 6000 only comes in hydrostat. They are making the MX5400, which comes in gear drive or hydrostat. Looks like we're already wired for a radio, which is going to be nice. We've got 3-speed transmission here, cruise control, all on the lever. Overall, really nice dash. Back window here opens up, so you have easy access to the rear. Now, one of the things that's kind of different about this particular tractor also is going to be the rear view mirror. Some of the other tractors have the exterior mirrors. Those are an option for this model, but they don't come standard. So there are a few things you might want to add whenever you're looking at it. But overall, base, first impression, this thing's a pretty nice tractor, and I think the price tag is going to be even better. One of the other things that Mike pointed out whenever we were looking at this thing is the new location of the PTO button right here. You're not reaching back like you used to on a lot of the older models. It's just right here where you're just really short movement. It's just the little things. This particular tractor we have with the 1065, which I think is the one that kind of comes standard with it. We do have the heavy duty loader on the front, which I think most people are going to want with that rolled steel on the top, and the option for a replaceable cutting edge. And then we also have the loader level indicator down there. Again, I don't think that's standard, but we went ahead and threw it on there. Overall, just a really solid tractor, and we're excited. I think this one might be sold already, but we're excited to get more of these and get more of them out in the field. We've taken a lot of calls already. There's a lot of excitement about this one.